Hey friends, I came across an interesting concept that says know your why. Know your why. What is your why of living? What is your why of eating? What is your why of reading? And what is your why of being who you are? Yes, you have to find out the why of everything in your life, be it your business, be it your sports, be it your personal life, be it your professional life, be it the smallest part of your life. You have to find out the why of your life, and it is really important that you know the why of your life, of every portion of your life, of every second of your life, to have a successful life. Yes. Let's take a very small example of having this why, knowing this why. Do you know why do you eat? Do you know why do you eat? To keep yourself healthy. To keep yourself healthy, to give your body the essential nutrients it needs to grow, to live well, and to be healthy. But are you eating for that particular reason? Are you making sure that you are giving your body what it needs by eating? Have we not forgotten our why of eating? So when we have forgotten our why of eating that we do maybe 3 or 4 times in a day, how can we remember the bigger whys of our life? When we have forgotten the most essential part of our life, our body, and that why of eating, then we surely cannot remember the bigger whys of our life. Why are we living this life? Why are we doing this business? Why am I studying? For passing the exam, that is a short-term target. For earning money, that again is a short-term target. Why are you living this life? You have to find it out. Why are you studying? You have to find it out. Why are you eating? You have to find it out. Not just to fill in your stomach. Not just to dump in your stomach everything that you see around you. Your eating has a reason. Your living has a reason. Your studying has a reason. Your doing anything has a reason. You have to find out the why. And if you can find out the why for yourself, that is what you need to do. You need to find out the why of yourself, not the why of your neighbor, not the why of that cricketer, or not the why of that government. That is what we try to do. We always try to fight with the why of the government. We try to find a fight with the why of the economy. We try to fight with the why of the neighbor. Why did he do this to me? Why did the government not give me this? Why did the economy happen like this? We have so many whys, and we keep asking those from the outside. But the moment you start asking this why, from there to here, if you just turn the finger around and ask all the whys from you, why did you do this? Why did you not do this? Why did you eat? Why did you not eat this? Why did you not work out? You would get the answers, and the answers that you get there is going to change all the whys that you had been asking outside. You would be getting all the answers here inside. So before going outside and asking the whys of others, find out your whys, and there are high chances that you would never need to ask them again the why, because you would have got all the answers of all the whys that you would have ever had when you asked yourself the whys of everything. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, guys? Yes, it does. It surely does. And if you do not agree to me, do let me know. I will be working out with you. I will be talking to you, speaking to you, and figuring it out why you think that finding out your why, finding out your whys is not the logical thing to do. Yes, I'll be waiting for your messages, for your comments, and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel for more future videos. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Do figure out the whys of your life. Have a good day. Bye-bye.